directed by Shannon Ruska of Tribal Experiences, with original composition by Guy Webster. Brisbane Festival gratefully acknowledges the support of key stakeholders, Queensland Government and Brisbane City Council, and project partners Queen's Wharf Brisbane, QIC and Eureka. Skylore is also supported through the giving program by Philip Bacon AM. And now, we thank you for joining us as we witness together the flight of 500 drones taking to the sky to light up this 65,000-year-old story.
If you follow Warra, the Brisbane River, out to the port, you will find a string of beautiful islands, the Moreton Bay Islands. But they weren't always there. It was this way. At that time, Moreton Island, Stradbroke, St Helena, Mudd and Coochie Mudlow and all those little islands joined the Australian mainland. And it was one big landmass. It was a beautiful place, populated by many tribes with vibrant landscapes where the animal clans flourished on the land and in the water. Wargan the Crow, the head of his tribe, led his clan through the mountain ranges and along the valleys of southeast Queensland. His nephew, Nieergoo the Chicken Hawk, a sharp hunter, skillfully captured his prey along the coastline. Just off the coast was a majestic creature of the deeper waters, the whale. We call him Nieergoo. But this was also a time of war. Raged between the animal totems of the inland tribes and the saltwater clans. A battle for territory. The birds, Wargan the Crow and Nieergoo the Chicken Hawk waged war with Nieergoo the whale. Aimed his poison spear at Nieergoo, but each time Nieergoo dodged the weapon. The crow's nephew Nieergoo the Chicken Hawk said, "Give me the spear, let me have a go." "No, I'll get him," said Wargan, and threw the poison spear, but after many times, he failed. At last, Nieergoo the Chicken Hawk seized the spear and made a mighty stroke which caught Nieergoo the whale on the back of his head. Out gushed a rush of blood and water. Nieergoo the whale lashed around and around in agony and fury, spouting The sea rose, creating a tsunami, and flooded the land in all directions, all the way to the Great Dividing Range in the west, north to the Diagula Range, south to Tamarine Mountains, cutting off portions of the mainland and so forming the islands of Moreton Bay. The blowhole on the back of Nieergoo where he was speared breathed out his calling to his descendants, initiating the great migration of whales through Brisbane Bay of Islands, where they meet every year. The whale Nieergoo lies at the end of the Brisbane River, and you can still see his shape in the landscape near the port of Brisbane to this day.